Respected Madam, I am Mrs. G. Ajita, MSc Nursing first year student, Department of Mental Health Nursing, Holy Mary College of Nursing, Hyderabad. Today I would like to present case presentation on alcohol depressant syndrome. So syndrome includes here group of diseases called as syndrome. So here the history collection includes about my client Mr. Raju, 40 years old man, admitted in open psychiatric ward in Asha Hospital at Hyderabad on 10th of January 2020 with the complaints of feeling worthlessness, sadness, fatigue, loss of interest in activities, lack of energy to complete daily tasks, difficulty concentrating, guilt, substance use, suicidal thoughts, drinking too much every time, drinking frequently even daily, continuously craving alcohol, continuing to drink despite negative consequences of both physical and mental health and personal relationships, and avoiding activities to drink, and depression. With these complaints, he diagnosed alcohol depressant syndrome by Dr. Srikanth, psychiatrist. So here the client profile includes, name is Mr. N. Raju, 40 years old male, and the IP numbers includes 14151. He got admitted in open psychiatric ward. Qualifications, educational qualification include 10th class failed, and he does not have any occupation due to the chronic alcoholism. So he belongs to Hindu religion and he got admitted in the hospital on 10th of January 2020. So he diagnosed as alcohol depressant syndrome due to the excessive depression. By the causes includes family history, and he comes from Karimnagar, and the care was started on the admission day itself on 10th January 2020. So I also collected the information from the informant, his wife. So here the present chief complaints includes, the according client is saying that I am having weakness, vomitings, lack of respect from others and family members especially, and he also experiencing the headache. So the information from his wife as like informant, like she's telling that continuously talking due to the excessive alcoholism, even including day and night, and a lack of social relationships, and he's having slurred speech and heavy vomitings since 1 week. So with these complaints, due to these elevated symptoms, he got hospitalized on 10th January 2020. But the duration of illness since 25 years. So here the present medical history, past medical history, present surgical history, past surgical history are the nil significant, and the present psychiatric history includes Mr. N. Raju, 40 years old man, was admitted in psychiatric hospital at Hyderabad. The complaints of nausea, vomiting, fatigue, tremors, slurred speech, guilt and suicidal thoughts since 1 week. So with these complaints, he diagnosed as alcohol depressant syndrome by Dr. Srikanth Reddy, the psychiatrist, and he was under the treatment of antipsychotic drugs and antidepressant drugs. So antipsychotic drugs like includes tablet Dusilfrim and Camprol. Antidepressant drugs includes tablet Citalopram, and he also having the tablet azithromycin antibiotic because he's having the systemic disorders like cirrhosis of liver and respiratory problems like includes pneumonia. So the family history includes here the Mr. N. Raju, 40 years old man, having a wife and 3 daughters. Here the only her wife is doing work and earning the money to handle the family, to lead the family, because excessive alcoholism he does not doing any work. So, and also the heavy depression because the history of his childhood history, because when he was with 3 years, so her father was died due to the suicide, and also when he became reached to 5 years, immediately After the death of his father, after 1 year, her brother also died due to unknown reason. So because of this reason only, her mother and this client was stayed together, and the person client criticized by others and relatives, and her developmental milestones includes all the lack of care and lack of encouragement and lack of motivation. So these reasons may cause to lead the depression in the client, and the depression leads to motivated the client to take alcohol. And the personal history includes here lack of personal hygiene due to the excessive alcoholism, and smoking. So every day he will smoke 3 to 4 boxes, and playing cards, and lack of appetite due to the heavy drink, and poor relationship with others due to the excessive alcoholism. So here the socio-economical history includes poor facilities because there is no doing work by the client. Only her wife was leading the family, and he is having 3 daughters, adolescent daughters. So due to the excessive expenditure of economical, he does not having any income sources due to the lack of job by the heavy drinking. So perinatal history includes here he does not have any immunization of her mother when he was in the womb of her mother, and he underwent all developmental milestones in the corrective way itself, and he had a breast milk after the delivery, after the normal delivery, and weaning started at 6 months, and milestones was good, like toilet training and everything. But the play history includes rough, and the relationships, peer relationships was not good because of heavy depression and criticism by the others and relatives. And the educational history includes SSC failed, 10th class failed due to the addiction to the smoking, drinking, and playing cards, and going to the movies and everything, and excessive love affairs include the problems related to teenage. And here the occupational history includes bad relationship with the subordinates due to the excessive alcoholism. And the sexual history also, in the sexual there is no satisfaction of sexual, and also the presence of conflicts always between the wife and husband due to the excessive alcoholism, and the lack of care related to the personality, and there is no good relationship with the others and also towards the self, and always he is having the escapism from the lack of interest to do the works, and always living with the fantasy life, and no coping abilities to decrease the alcoholism. So here the physical examination includes, so by seeing the patient disoriented to always having the excessive alcohol, and lack of attention, and thinly body builds due to the lack of appetite due to the excessive alcoholism. The vital signs includes here the respiration is 24 beats per minute due to the pneumonia. So due to excessive smoking, cigarette smoking, the measurements are normal in condition. So when we come to the integumentary system, foul smell is coming due to the lack of personal hygiene, and there are no abnormalities in the hair and scalp, but nails was unshaped due to the lack of personal hygiene. And the head and neck, the range of motion is good, and the eyes includes sight, impaired sight, and yellow in color sight due to the excessive alcoholism and smoking. And here the yellow in color of eyes due to the cirrhosis of liver. And hearing voices So here the thorax and lungs includes lungs are getting the wheezing, abnormal sounds and the shortness of breath due to the excessive cigarette smoking, and abdomen in yellow in color because due to the cirrhosis of liver, and here the presence of visceromegaly and listening the fluid sounds when we are palpating the examination of abdomen, and the presence of ascites, so presence of fluid in the abdomen organs. So genitourinary system includes pain in urination and presence of oliguria, and imbalanced gait and weakness, swelling in extremities due to the ascites, and confusional state of mind due to the excessive alcoholism. Loss of memory, altered learning abilities due to the excessive alcoholism, and having habituated to the all negative activities like drinking, smoking, playing cards and going to the movies regularly, and having parties with the peer groups related to the negative modes, and fluctuated consciousness due to the excessive alcoholism. So here I want to do the mental status examination of my client. The general appearance includes lack of personal hygiene, confusional state, disgusted facial expressions due to the always question mark in the face, decreased physical activity due to the weakness and tremors presence in the neurological system, and decreased communication with the others and talking to the self due to the excessive alcoholism. Speech includes unwanted thoughts and highly talking and irrelevant speech due to the mood disorders like depression and mania. So here the mood and affect was impaired, and the perception also impaired. Here the client is having primary hallucinations, but when the client is hearing the voices, and the client is also involving the conversation. So having the impaired of psychosomatic disorders, and the thought process also high grade speech, irrational thoughts and losing words in conversation, missing logic in speech, presence of lighter ideas, and the presence of irrational phobia. So cognition also impaired, confusional state of mind due to the excessive alcoholism, and impaired span of attention due to the loss of memory, and impaired concentration due to lack of responsibilities. So immediate and recent remote memory has impaired. There is no good in the intelligence due to the excessive alcoholism and irresponsibility, and not paying the concentration on any work. So here the abstract thinking also improper. So insight includes here the denial. It's regraded as grade 1. So judgment is completely impaired. So here the diagnostic findings includes complete blood count and mean corpus vascular volume, serum creatinine is elevated, and bilirubin. Ultrasonography shows that atrophy and hypertrophy presence in the ultrasonography, and chest X-ray shows the presence of pneumonia. And here the computer tomography shows the presence of shows the abnormalities in the atrophy and hypertrophy, and the MRI includes here shows atrophy and hypertrophy, and the ultrasonography shows the nodular hepatic cartillar changes in volume and distribution, and the MRI shows here magnetic resonance image. The hepatic artery is a less dominant supply of blood flow to the liver. So due to this there is a presence of cirrhosis of liver. And also the psychological evaluations are include related to mood and judgment and insight. So here the medical management includes for this alcohol depression syndrome, tablet citalopram antidepressant to relieve the depression, and the tablet dusilfiram, it is an anti-abuse, so decrease the alcohol intake, and the B complex, tablet B complex, vitamin B complex to maintain the balanced nutrition, and the tablet azithromycin to reduce the urine infection and pneumonia like infections related to urinary system and respiratory system. So and also the tablet that for having severe headache. So here the condition includes alcohol depressant syndrome. Definition: it is a disorder characterized by excessive consumption of alcohol, can lead to alcohol use disorder. It is a problem drinking and it can cover a large spectrum of people with the alcohol issues. So etiology includes here according to the book, genetics, family history, personality, that is related to negative thoughts, and personal history includes abuse, trauma, and relationship problems. So here according to the client, etiology of alcohol depressant syndrome includes family history because he lost her father and other brother in the early ages. That includes only when he is having 3 years old. So and also the lack of care by the family members, lack of motivation by the society members, and lack of encouragement by the relatives, and then negative thoughts and having the habits of smoking, drinking, and poor peer relationships. So here the psychopathology includes use of excessive alcoholism can lead the affect the central nervous system, and that deficit the evaluation of presence of mood disorders like alcohol depressant syndrome. So the clinical manifestations includes here according to the book, feeling of sadness, anger, loss of emptiness, fatigue, loss of interest in habits and activities, lack of energy to complete daily tasks, difficulty concentrating, guilt, substance use, suicidal thoughts, continually craving alcohol, drinking frequently, even daytime. So according to the client, sadness, anger, emptiness, fatigue, loss of interest in hobbies and activities, lack of energy to complete daily activities, difficulty concentrating, guilt, substance use, suicidal thoughts, craving alcohol, and drinking daily. So investigations includes here according to the book, complete blood count and mean corpuscular volume, chest X-ray, computed tomography, MRI, serum creatinine, bilirubin, ultrasonography, and psychological evaluation for the mental status examination. So according to the client underwent the investigations like complete blood count and mean corpuscular volume, chest X-ray, computed tomography, MRI, serum creatinine, bilirubin, ultrasonography, psychological evaluations. So here the medications include according to the book tablet Campral, tablet B complex, tablet Deciferum, tablet Naltrexone, tablet Azithromycin, tablet Citalopram. So according to the client is receiving the drugs like tablet Citalopram, tablet Deciferum, tablet Azithromycin antibiotic, tablet B complex, and tablet Campral antidepressant. So here the nursing diagnosis includes ineffective individual coping related to the personal vulnerability as manifested by low self-esteem. Second one is impaired verbal communication related to alcohol depressant syndrome evidenced by social isolation. So third one, disturbed thought process related to depression as evidenced by previous attempts of violence. So fourth one, risk for self-directed violence related to the loneliness as evidenced by previous attempts of violence. So fifth one, self-care deficit related to depression as evidenced by suicidal behavior. Sixth, nutritional status less than body requirements as evidenced by weight loss. Seventh one, spiritual distress related to excessive intake of alcohol as evidenced by negative thoughts of answers. Eighth one, knowledge deficit related to disease condition as manifested by repeated and irrelevant questions. So here for this nursing diagnosis, the nursing interventions includes here I maintained therapeutic relationship with the client to know the baseline data, and I encouraged the client to ventilate his feelings related to happiness, sad, and everything, and encouraged the client to take the medication to decrease the disease condition. And I exposed many various methods of social skills to develop a good relationship with the family members and the community members and the friends and everyone. So, and I also explained about the rehabilitation center sorry, to decrease the alcohol intake and to develop the occasional um, jobs and to lead the family life. And I provided family therapy by providing the counseling to the family members to support and to encourage the client. And I also created awareness on exercises, yoga, meditation to improve the positive thoughts towards the successful life. Here the process recording includes the objectives according to the client should reduce the drinking alcohol and to develop self motivation. So self motivation is very important in the psychiatric conditions and to improve the nutritional status. So according to the nurse should maintain the therapeutic relationship, should develop effective communication skills and promote counseling skills. So here the diet plan includes for one day at 6 o'clock milk 1 glass and 8 o'clock idli plus a sambar or chutney. On the 11 o'clock ragi malt due to overcome the anemia, and 1 o'clock rice, 1 cup of green leafy vegetable curry and 1 cup of vegetable curry, 1 cup of curd, papads, 1 chapati. And 4 o'clock beans to provide the proteins to the client to decrease the weakness and tremors of neurological system. And 8 o'clock 1 cup of rice and chapati, 1 boiled egg with 1 cup of vegetable curry. At 9 o'clock 1 cup glass of milk. So here the psychoeducation includes I explained very clearly about the disease condition to the client and as well as the family members to support and encourage the client to cope up from the disease condition. So I also explained about the importance of medication to reduce the disease condition and to decrease the craving intake of alcohol as soon as possible. I also provided the education related to the personal hygiene and maintenance of effective communication skills with the others, especially to the family members. And here the recording and reporting, what are all the care I provided to the client. I mentioned here like self introduction, history collection, physical examination, mental status examinations, administration of medication, providing the rest and sleep to the patient, and motivational stories, cognitive behavioral therapy, social skills, personal hygiene, family therapy, family counseling, occasional and rehabilitation therapies, and occupational therapies to overcome the financial problems, and the spiritual support to build the good rapport and good relationship among the family members. So here the summary includes